What is social media marketing? Using social media to your business's advantage is not just a perk, but in this day and age, it is practically mandatory. But the idea itself evolved from publishing when businesses wanted to create interest in their product or service. Soon, social media platforms were being used for word-of-mouth reasons to boost sales. Today, this realm of marketing involves so much more than just pushing content. It can be used to monitor conversations about the brand itself. Likes, shares, engagement with posts in general, and tags are also extremely helpful indicators. These platforms can also be used to understand better ways of serving the brand's customers, loyal and new ones, by using them as informal channels of customer service. Businesses can also use this data to understand their appeal among different demographics and target new ones, thanks to the wealth of data that is provided by the likes of Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Now every business decides the kind of audience it wants to reach and creates ads on social media for those highly targeted groups of individuals. This is referred to as social media advertising, and the entire process is called social media management, or SMM. This indicates creating posts and text, publishing pictures and videos, and making content that, in general, creates a discussion among the audience about your products and servicing. This also includes paid advertising. The first part of this is to make a plan that will help your business reach its goals. You need to understand, what is your target audience demographic? What do you want to accomplish specifically with social media marketing? Which platforms does your target audience spend most of its time on? What is the message you want to send? This way, you will be in better position to create content that is tailor-made to the audience you intend to target. According to Oberlo, 90.4% of millennials are active social media users. 77.5% of Gen Z use social media vigorously. 48.2% of baby boomers do the same. 71% of consumers recommend a brand to their friends and family members if they have had a good experience with said brand on social media. So no matter who you are trying to reach, having a social media strategy is key to the success of your brand. People from different walks of life, from age groups across the globe, are logging into their social media accounts several times a day to connect with individuals and businesses alike. It's a great place for them to find what they want, and even for businesses, it is a great place to understand consumer behavior. That is why investing in social media marketing is a sustainable way of ensuring the growth of a business.